Hello, my name is Natalie, welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and this video is going to consist of 3 parts. In the first part I would like to show you very briefly the natural stone beads that I purchased for making the bracelets. In the second part we are going to unbox this special edition kit Horn of Plenty from DDotz that I purchased at Walmart. This is a special edition and you will be able to find it only at Walmart and maybe on DDotz website. And in the third part, I'm going to show you my work in progress, which is this one, Haunted House, and I hope you're going to like it. So let's start with the beads. I actually purchased these 3 threads. The first one is raw Amazonite. I mean, I cannot say that it is completely raw, it's a little bit polished, but still mostly it is raw. You can see, well, I can't say a lot of defects, but that's what the natural stones are famous for, but I'm pretty sure they could be of a better quality. So this is the first thread. The second thread is the orange garnet. I actually didn't even know about the existence of orange garnet. I thought that it comes only in red, dark red colors, but it turns out that orange garnet also exists, and apparently it is like a garnet of a low quality, but I need some orange color in my bracelets that I'm making, so I purchased it, but I actually like it as well. And the third thread is Botswana agate. I'm very happy with it. I really love the shape. It is called star shaped, very beautiful faceted star shape. As far as I remember, it looks gorgeous in the bracelet, and the stone itself is beautiful. Very soft stone. In the meaning of soft energy, it is soft itself, and it makes the stones next to it softer. Okay, so now I also purchased at Walmart, along with the kit, these 2 types of organizers. I purchased them for my beads, but you can also use it for a diamond dots, diamond for the drills, right? And I'm going to use this one as well, so just for you to know. So now let's open this kit. So I was really hesitant whether to purchase or not. Why? Because unfortunately, or fortunately for someone, it is partial. As you can see, the background is not diamond painted, but when I looked at this picture, I understood that actually like 80% of the kit is diamond painted, so it's kind of full, right? So 80% is a lot. So it is a pretty small kit, only what, 14 by 17. No, I would say 11 by 14, right? This fabric size. Design size is 11 by 14 inches, which is pretty small. The name of the kit is Horn of Plenty, and this little kit contains 37 colors, which is a lot. So let's open it and see how it looks inside. Actually, when I'm looking at the canvas, I'm really very happy that I purchased it, because it's not just 80% that is diamond painted. I would even say it's 85% that is diamond painted. Only this small area is not. All the rest is. So technically, it's kind of like almost full. And it comes with 37 colors. The symbol printing is really very clear. There are no black grids around the symbols. The symbols are very recognizable. They are either alphabetic or numeric, or if there are some symbols, they are also pretty easy to remember and recognize, right? Like a percentage sign or a slash, etc. As to the canvas, it's not a typical DDotz canvas. Yes, it is soft on the backside. I'm pretty sure you can see it, like cotton-wise soft, but the front side is kind of like regular vinyl one, similar to Diamond Art Club one. But what I don't like about this very canvas, first I was blaming the glue, which is regular poured glue. But then I came to the conclusion that it's not the glue's fault, this is the canvas. So it is not entirely like Diamond Art Club, because Diamond Art Club canvas does not have this issue, only this one, special edition DDotz, like a budget version of DDotz and Leisure Arts. So budget versions of DDotz kits have this problem. Whenever you place the drill incorrectly, inaccurately originally, right, and then you try to move the drill to its correct position, it moves back to its original incorrect one. So I don't know why. So it doesn't matter how many times you move it, it will come back to the original position. So be very, very careful when diamond painting these kits. So, of course, the canvas is not color related. That's how it's supposed to turn out. And that's how the rendering looks. Okay. So now let's look at the colors. It is shocking how such small kits contain that many colors. 37 colors for such a small kit is a lot. And be very careful when you're purchasing this kit, because if you follow my channel, I'm pretty sure you remember me diamond painting also the special edition kit, the Mountain Retreat. But unfortunately, this very kit came with one color missing. At first, I was blaming myself that I threw it away, but then I checked my video unboxing and I found out that, yeah, I counted all the drills and all the bags, right? And it turned out that, yes, they forgot to put the diamonds in there, the additional bags. So be very careful with the small kits. Always count the bags when you're unboxing. Oh my god, the camera just doesn't show that gorgeous sparkle. But I counted all these bags. They are correct, 37 colors. I just turned them around so that you could see the colors better. And this kit, I mean, I think it has all the colors of rainbow and blue, pink, purple, red, different kind or different shade of orange, green, yellow, white, brown, like everything. It's so beautiful. I think it will turn out gorgeous. The only thing is that, unfortunately, this kit does not contain any AB colors. I will see if I have any in my stash that would match the shade. If they do, then of course I will replace them with ABs. I will definitely replace white color with white ABs. To the rest, I'm not sure if the color is gonna match. So that's how they look. Beautiful, right? Gorgeous, gorgeous kit. So I do not regret buying it. It cost $10, okay? So all their special edition kits are $9.98. There are different images, different designs. I liked this one the best, and I think this one is diamond painted the most out of all partial kits. Now, let me show you my work in progress. I started this kit, Haunted House. It is diamond painted pretty fast. You see, it sparkles. I didn't even, remove the plastic cover. So it diamond paints. It is diamond painted really very fast, very fast. I started on Monday maybe, and I didn't even diamond paint every day. I diamond painted maybe like 2 hours maximum. This is a full round drill diamond painting kit from Make Market at Michael's, and I love the colors that it's coming with. This kit contains 4, I'm sorry for the cracking sound, I'm standing on the floor. So it contains 4 glow-in-the-dark colors. Precisely this white, although I replaced it with AB white that glows in the dark, this bright orange, this, I don't know, like neon yellow, and this kind of like lilac color. So, and they are supposed to glow in the dark, but unfortunately I won't be able to show it to you at this moment because it is still a day outside, pretty light, and they won't just glow in the dark. Okay, so, but I will finish it very soon because technically I have only this area left. So this one, this is diamond painted, this is diamond painted, so only this area is left. I don't think I will finish it this weekend, but hopefully by the mid of next week I will, and I will record the video review. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.